Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize Zoom Cloud meetings, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring you have the latest version of the Zoom application installed. Open the Zoom app on your device. Sign in to your Zoom account. Navigate to the Settings tab located in the upper right corner of your home screen. In the Settings menu, go to the Video section. Ensure to select the appropriate camera for optimal video quality. Check the box for Enable HD to enhance your video resolution. Next, scroll to the Audio section. Select the correct microphone and speaker settings to ensure clear sound. Adjust the input volume to avoid distortion during your meetings. Now, move to the Virtual Background settings. Choose a professional background to minimize distractions. Ensure you have good lighting when using a virtual background. Proceed to the Screen Share settings. Enable the option to share computer sound, which is vital for presentations. Consider allowing participants to share their screens if necessary. Now, head to the Recording settings. Select your preferences for local or cloud recording based on your needs. Also, determine whether to record audio and video separately or together. Next, go to the Meeting settings. Here, you can enable the waiting room feature for added security. Set a password for your meetings for extra protection. Adjust the settings to mute participants upon entry to maintain control. Under Chat settings, ensure file transfer is allowed for seamless collaboration. Encourage participants to use the raised hand feature to communicate effectively. Once your settings are configured, schedule a new meeting. Ensure to test your audio and video before the meeting starts. Send out the invites with the meeting link and any relevant information. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.